Today I'm going to be making a smoothie using the Instant Pot Ace. So what I have so far is crushed ice, banana, passion fruit, dragon fruit, blueberry, and blackberry, all organic of course. And I'm also going to be putting in Orgain organic protein powder, which I love because I'm lactose intolerant, and of the dairy-free options, this one is the easiest on my tummy. And also Orgain's organic superfood Immunity Up. So I'm getting all the good vitamins and nutrients. So we're going to put in 1 scoop of the Immunity Boost, and we're going to be putting in 2 scoops of the protein powder. 1, 2, and where did I put the top? All right, found the top. It goes on like so. Then you just lock it in place, and then this just goes straight onto the top, just like that. And then it has a smoothie button. We're going to click that, and we'll hit. So we'll come back in 1 minute and 30 seconds. And in 1 minute and 30, it will be done. Getting close. So it pulses. And it does that because it's trying to help keep from getting too much air in your smoothie. But it also is making sure that it's blending for the proper duration, because generally you want to blend a smoothie for like 1.5 to 2 minutes. So let's give it a try. That looks delicious. That is a perfect smoothie. Really, really tasty. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Instant Pot Ace. And all you have to do is hit the smoothie button, wait a couple seconds, it'll beep at you a couple times, and then it'll just start making your smoothie on its own with different pulsing action to make sure it doesn't get too much air. You can see there's not a lot of bubbles or anything. The smoothie came out fantastic. And once again, products that I prefer are the Orgain Organic Protein Powder and Orgain Organic Superfood Immunity Up with organic fruits. In my case today, I used organic bananas, blueberries, blackberries, mango, dragon fruit, and passion fruit. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and enjoy.